They are neatly hung on the cart. The drying room is 9.5 by 4.6 by 3.3 meters. It can dry 4,000 catties of wet peppers at a time. The customer's factory is very large. They are accelerating to hang the peppers. After 10 hours of drying, most of the moisture in the peppers has dried. The air volume in the drying room is very large. The skin is slightly dry. Now they feel very elastic and strong. Drying for another 4 hours. It's almost done. Now the moisture of the peppers is completely dry. The meat is thick. Wrinkles are stretched. Let the customer come to check. Another one, customer acceptance. He is very satisfied. It has the leather texture of high-quality waxed leather. Now, let's experience the water storage effect of dried peppers.